Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your bonus on the CT Pool crypto mining app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CT Pool crypto mining application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. Now from here, you can either tap on the balance option at the bottom, where you can now navigate to the bonus option. From here, you can tap on the withdraw button and then choose your withdraw method. Also from the home page, you can just tap on the HSH button, which is your Hashcoin bonus. When you tap on this, you will then see the withdraw option as well. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will once again take you to the withdrawal page, where you can choose your wallet account and then connect it to start withdrawing right away. Once your wallet is connected, you can then start withdrawing your bonus on your account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to withdraw your bonus Hashcoin on the CT Pool crypto mining app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.